Hello everyone, my name is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about UENI. So who is UENI? They are expert web designers that are going to be in charge of designing your professional website. Yes, get a professional online presence for your small or big business if you want it. Yeah, so let's check more benefits and get started. Website done for you, easily editable by you. Google Business Profile, no gimmicks, just great value. Yes, don't forget guys that I'm going to be dropping my link down below for you to get a big discount when it comes to a web design. Remember that with my link you're going to be getting a big discount. For example, you just pay once $199. Yes, these are the guys from UENI. UENI helps you generate more sales, bookings, and leads with a gorgeous website that's built for you at a reasonable price. No expensive agencies, no complicated DIY web design builders, just a product that works for you. Yes, so now let's check the product websites. Let's talk about the price. Get your business website built for you in 7 days. Yes, choose your plan. Yeah, we're going to be choosing our plan. For example, let me check. Yeah, here, websites, Google My Business Profile, sell products and take bookings. What I can see here, grow your business and so on. Yes, let's check the pricing. Make your presence work as hard as you do. All done for you, no hidden costs, so much more than a website. Yes, you can choose guys. So you have the monthly plan or the annual. So it is recommended for you to take the annual because you are going to be paying far more or less, I mean a cheaper price than the monthly payment, right? You have four types of payment: lifetime deal, basic, plus, and growth. For example, if you pay the lifetime deal, you're gonna be paying $199 one-time payment. Yes, this is the lifetime deal, the most recommended. Yes, and for example, you are going to the web presence setup you need to get started. What are the features here? Let's see. Included in the lifetime deal: build for you UENI website, build for you Google Business Profile, personalized website design and copy, free hosting forever, easy to use editor, product and service setup for you, premium designs and layouts, UENI web domain, or connect your existing domain. If you have your existing domain, you can ever work with the guys from UENI. Yes, 7-day turnaround, launch and training call, free SSL certificate, value in $97. Yes, this padlock here is the SSL certificate to guarantee that your website is secure for your users. Google, Facebook, and Instagram synchronization. Yes, ongoing customer support, real-time alerts for sales, bookings, leads, SMS, or WhatsApp 24/7. Yes, yeah. Basically, this is the price that the guys from UENI offer. The basic one. The plus, although they say this is the most popular, but for you I recommend you going with the lifetime deal. Yes, because it's just one payment per year. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, don't forget that I'm gonna be dropping my link down below for you to get your big discount, and I hope you have liked my video. Yes, see you next time. Bye bye.